This Japanese jelly roll quilt is one of those quilts that is just so easy to do that you'll wonder why you haven't made several of them. I did make it from a strip roll that was put together by Creative Quilting, so 2.5-inch strips, about 16 of them I think from memory, and you're unlikely to find this commercially cut as Japanese, but if you're a Japanese fabric fan, then you can just go into your fabric stash and cut several 2.5-inch strips. This would look absolutely stunning using a layer cake, particularly if you wanted a batik layer cake, maybe from Claire at Hannah's Room, or any of the Moda layer cakes would look just as lovely. Once you've put your medallion piece together, you can think about the borders. This was a beautiful feature fabric, and I've just literally popped great wedges of it on the side. There's no reason why, if you've got lots of your lovely fabrics left, you couldn't make piano key border, perhaps with a little fillet, first of all round as a kind of a stop.